Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be another wash and go. As you guys know, that's like my signature hairstyle, wash and goes. I feel like I've mastered it and it's the easiest for me to complete, so that's why I do them now. Today we're going to be trying on, I have gloves on too because I just colored my hair, and this, I put a rinse in my hair, and this color is like, it bled all through my face, just neck, and so I'm gonna just ignore all of the red stuff all over my face and makeup messed up, so let's just ignore that. That's why I have on gloves. But today we're gonna be talking about and trying out the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. I just recently picked this up from Target today. You get 12 fluid ounces, and I paid $14.99 with it, and it was a 20% off coupon on the Target Circle, so I ended up paying like, I don't know, $10 for it, so really wasn't that bad. It's a decent size, and I've heard so many great things about this curly stimulator. I'm assuming it's more like a gel, so this will be my styler, and we will try it out. So if you guys want to see my thoughts on this Uncle Funky's Daughter, please keep watching.
Don't touch my hair.
Alright, so the last video I did, I used the Maui Moisture Vanilla Beam as my leave-in, and my hair was thebomb.com. I finally know what my hair porosity is. I'm so excited. Now I feel like I can know how to properly moisturize my hair, and it's very important for you guys to know what that is, but I'll do a whole video on that and what mine is probably later this week. The reason why I like this Vanilla Beam is because it's thick and creamy, and it closes up the cuticles in my high porosity hair. So I'm going to be using this as my leave-in, this thick cream. I'm going to be using, again, I said I use oils now. I'm going to be using the same African Pride oils, and my styler will be the Curly Magic. So, alright, and my last video, I actually liked applying my leave-in conditioner in my hair around my head, and that actually, for whatever reason, it prepped my hair for my styler, and I liked it. So I'm going to just apply this heavy cream butter around my whole head as my leave-in. And of course, I'm going to go in with an oil to seal all of that moisture in. It's a good little bit because it's a big section over here. Alright, since my leave-in oil and everything is applied, my hair is prepped and ready for the styler. So today's star, like I said earlier, is the curly stimulator. So this is it's a pump, and this is the consistency of it. Doesn't really have a smell. It reminds me of it's slimy, so not sure how I feel about that. Just hoping it gives my hair a good hold and definition, and it's coming okay. There's my definition thus far. Put a little bit more on my ends. It is storming out here. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it is storming. So on my roots. Oh wow. Okay, yes. My curls are like really pretty. Let me see. This is what my curls are looking like. Really pretty. So I'm gonna let you guys watch me put the rest of this in my hair, and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is my hair as it's fully done. 360. The gel feels really good on my hair, or it looks really good. I don't know what it feels like. I have gloves on. It looks really good on my hair. I noticed that it made my curls straight and then it kind of went back, so my curls are really popping and in formation, might I say. They look really good. So I hope that it dries really fast. It's kind of late. It's like 7:30, 7 o'clock. So I like doing my hair this late because I like for my hair to dry completely before I go to bed. But I'm gonna go ahead and sit under and put it dry for about 45 minutes. And then let it dry, and then I'll show you guys what my hair looks like tomorrow. Alright guys, so this is day 1. I have never ever found a product that makes my hair look so tamed, and this is like the wet look. I'm actually quite surprised that my hair looks like this. This is how it dried. My hair does feel super moisturized, like heavy moisturized. But of course, you know, I did use a lot of the product. I'm heavy-handed, but I like this. This is more of a tamed look. I'm excited to see what it looks like on day 4, day 5. But on day 1, my hair looks wet. People thought my hair was wet today, and I'm like, no sis, it's dry. This is just how I look today, like a wet dog, but it's okay. Excuse the dogs outside. It's super moisturized, and my curls are like so defined. Like, I've never seen a product that makes my curls this defined, honestly. And it doesn't feel like a gel. Like, it's not a real gel. It's more of like a, I guess a custard. It reminds me of the Camille Rose, that jelly custard type thing, and then My Organics, that custard. It kind of reminds me of that. So they all, to me, are kind of like in the same category. But my hair looks good. I like it. Would I recommend it? This far, yes. I'm gonna see how long it lasts. I used about this much of the product, so I still have a good little ways to go. And I used a lot of the product, and so it's lasted pretty good. So, but yeah, if I can remember, I will show you guys what my hair looks like on day 4, 5, day 3. You know, if I have a better hair day, like as it gets more, I like volume. So once it gets more voluminous, I will come back and show you guys. But this is what my hair looks like today. All right, so this is my hair day 2. Alright guys, so this is my hair day 5. I washed my hair on Sunday, and today is Friday. I have never found a product that makes my hair look like this, moisturized good, the full 5 days. My hair is still soft. There's no gel cast. Although I'm more of a person who likes big voluminous hair, this didn't give me that. So I'm kind of like on the fence about it, but I got so many compliments on my hair because it still looks wet. So that's something that I think will look good for somebody who wants to wear their hair curly but wants it to be tamed and not dry out. Then I highly recommend this product for that. Like I said, I've never found a product to make my hair look like this and feel like this for the full week. So yeah, that's my final thoughts on this. I may wash it out Sunday for 7 days, but to say that it lasted this long and looks this good, I give it 2 thumbs up. All I did was literally put my hair up in a ponytail every night and take it down. That's it. I don't even pineapple. That's all I do. All I do is pineapple my hair. I don't band it. And this is the results of what it looks like. So, alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out, and I will check you guys out in my next video.